very welcome back my friend in this video, and in this video I can show you how can you easily bypass your Gmail ID account credential from your any Samsung S series like S22, S23, S21, S24. Okay, so in this method I am not using any kind of software and not use any kind of software tool. So in this method I am going to use a offline method of any service center. So let's get started this video, and you have to only watch this video properly till the end. Only then you will be able to unlock your all kind of Samsung S series. So let's start this video. First of all my friend, if you are facing also this type of issue on your smartphone when you configure your smartphone, so you don't worry, go back to the home screen like that, and here you have to only open your emergency call option here and type a code here, and the code is *#0*#. Okay, and this method is only on working only S series. So please remember this code. After that, in this page you have to wait only 7 seconds and go back to the previous screen, and here you have to change your language to English United States. So select here and click OK. After that my friend, you have to click the start button here, click agree, click setup manually here, and after that you have to connect your smartphone with the Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot. After successfully connected your smartphone with the Wi-Fi, you have to try to open your talkback option. Okay, and for opening your talkback option you have to press and hold power button plus volume up button for the few seconds. You can see here you have to click the use option here, and again you have to press power button plus volume up button for a second, and here you have to draw opposite L. You can see here this phone voice command are not is not working. So don't worry at all, go back to the home screen and you have to turn off this talkback option, and for that also you have to press power button plus volume up button for a time. After that you have to go back to the home screen again, and here you have to tap 7 times on your display. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and wait. In this time, in this phone is asking to enter your pin pattern password lock, and there are no any skip message here, means this method is not working at this time. So I am going to use a second method to unlock your smartphone. So after that you have to change your region again to English Australia. So you have to find the English Australia and click OK. After that you have to click the start button here, and in this page you have to click agree and click the setup manually and wait. And here you have to click add network here, click this small setting icon. You have to find this setting icon on your keyboard option. After finding this icon you have to click to open it, and after that your setting page comes on your smartphone screen, and in this page you have to go to the last option. This is reset to default settings, so open it, and here you got 2 option, 3 option, 4 option. So don't worry at all, you have to reset all the options here one by one. So click reset. On the second line also erase, third successful completed, and fourth also. So you have to go back and you have to open your language and types option here, and here you have to find these 3 icon on the right side corner. So you have to touch here and you have to click the check for update here. You have to find English US option. So and for that you have to open this second option, manage input languages. So open it, and here you have to find English US, and this is the English US option. So you have to click the update option here. After successfully updated your English US, you have to turn off your other language, okay? But firstly you have to turn on this English US. After that you can turn off all other languages here. And after successfully completed this step, you have to again check for updates. So go to the three dots here on the right side corner. After that you have to touch the check for update here, and you can see here there are no any update on the English US. So go back again, and you have to go to the text shortcut option here, and on the right side corner you can see here add option. So you have to click here, and here you have to type a message here, www.google.com, and on the second line you have to type www.youtube.com and click add. After that you have to go to the main screen, and again you have to configure your smartphone as usual. So click start here, click agree, click setup manually, and you have to again check your Wi-Fi is connected or not. After that you have to click next and wait for the result, my friends. If you seriously want to unlock your any kind of Samsung smartphone, so you have to follow all these instructions on your smartphone one by one. So don't try to skip this video at any moment, otherwise you won't be able to unlock your Samsung smartphone. And got it, my friend? You can see here a skip message on this left side corner. It means we can easily skip this process from this smartphone. So I am going to select this skip option here to remove this page from your configuration. Also that you have to click don't copy here and wait for the result. You have to click again this skip message here, skip again, and click more, accept, and all done. You can choose a new pin pattern password lock from here, but right now I am going to click skip here, skip anyway, and wait for a few seconds only. If you seriously want to unlock your all kind of Samsung smartphone, so click here don't have an account, set up later in setting, and skip again. You have to uncheck this box and click agree, click next, and wait for the result. This method is working or not. This is the second method. So you have to click uncheck here, click next, all set up, finish, and wait, click agree. We are almost there. Select your preferred setting, continue, select your preferred setting, and wait for the result, my friend. Click install, click finish, all done, finish. And finally, my friend, you can see here, in this way you can easily remove your Gmail ID account credential from your any Samsung S series models. And if you have any queries, comment us with subscribe our YouTube channel. Our team will reply to you within a 5 to 10 minutes, so that you will be also able to unlock your any Samsung smartphone at your home at free of cost. So thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned and keep watching.